Let me show you how to withdraw free Solana from the EasySol faucet. I made a tutorial showing how to register and claim instant airdrop, instant sign-up bonus from this platform, and I also told you guys how it's connected to Easylite, which I've withdrawn from, as well as easydoge. I have actually withdrawn from Easylite and easydoge. Now I want to withdraw from EasySol, right? So let's go to faucet here. This is one of the ways to earn. Click on ready to claim. You solve a captcha and you click on ready to claim here, and you receive an amount of free Solana depending on your level. Other ways to earn include completing surveys, and you complete chat links to earn more. As I've completed some chat links, and if you have any trouble completing chat links, I think they have a tutorial here you can watch and you'll be well on your way to go. So let's hit the menu here top left. Let's go to wallet because I want to initiate the withdrawal, and let's click on withdraw. As you can rightly see, I do not have anything in my withdrawal history. So right now it says the minimum withdrawal amount is 0.002. Of course I have more than that, so let's go to an exchange and get a wallet address. So I'm on Bybit. I click on deposit, click on deposit crypto. You enter a search for Solana, select Solana, that's the chain type, that's the network, and your deposit address is here. Minimum deposit amount is 0.01, right? So we're good to go. Tap on copy. So over here I want to withdraw everything, so I click on max here and the amount is entered. There's going to be a fees of 0.0001. I'll paste my Solana address, then I click on withdraw. It says your withdrawal is being processed. So you can see here in my history I have this pending withdrawal as my status, and transaction ID has not been generated because the transaction has not been executed, right? Alright, so my withdrawal status has not changed from pending to completed, and the transaction ID has been generated, right? So let's go to my exchange account and confirm this. I used Bybit. Let's click on notifications. I'm seeing the deposit notification here. So I received this 0.014198871 Solana, right? So that's what's up. It means the platform is still paying even at the moment. So guys, if you're not already registered, I'll leave my invite link in the pinned comment of the video and on the Telegram page, so you can jump on it, sign up, claim your sign up bonus, and start earning. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.